Hi, welcome to this platform for Sensor Academy, either the YouTube channel or the Facebook page. If you're watching this on our YouTube channel and it is your first time, consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell in order to get notified when next I post a new video. If you're watching this on our Facebook page, kindly leave a comment, share the video, and tag some other GCE or internal candidates awaiting or trying to prepare adequately for an exam. In today's brief tutorial, we're going to consider a 2022 Biology P2 question under that is reproduction, and it is coming from, or it was on question 4, which says figure 4 summarizes the stages in the formation of the human fetus. Then we have cell labeled T, which is being able to represent a male sex cell, and cell labeled U, which is being able to represent a female sex cell. When these two are able to mate, we are able to have a fertilized egg, showing that fertilization has taken place, and this fertilized egg is able to divide under a cell division process into a ball of cells, thereafter develop into a fetus. So now the first question on A says identify the cells labeled T and U. So T being the representative of a male sex cell, this is what exactly the diagram of the sperm really looks like. So on T, we're going to say the sperm. Then for this one is the sperm cell, and then for U, we're going to say this one is the ovum cell. We can say the ova cell. Then we move on to that is Roman numeral 2, which says state one way in which cell T and cell U in figure 4 are genetically similar. So if we can rightfully observe, we're going to find that when we talk about cell T is the sperm cell and cell U is the ovum or an egg. They are being able to mate and form a fertilized egg. We're not just going to give any other similarity except a similarity that's going to be genetic. So we're going to find that a fertilized egg is formed as a result of 46 chromosomes, where from here we are going to have 23, from here we are going to have 23. And also at the same time, we're going to find that when we talk about the sex chromosome, the sperm carries only one sex chromosome, either an X or Y, while the egg carries that is the X chromosome. So the similarities are that both cells carry only one sex chromosome, or both cells consists of 23 chromosomes. So either of the two, they only need one. So here we're going, since we are trying to talk about similarity, we're going to say both cells carry only one sex chromosome. So to establish this point, we mean the sperm can either carry an X or Y chromosome to determine the gender, and the ovum cell can only carry the X chromosome. So both cells carry only one sex chromosome, or both cells consist of 23 chromosomes apiece. Then for Roman numeral 3, it's saying mention 3 functions of the part labeled V. So if we are to talk about the part labeled V, we're talking about an umbilical cord. So this umbilical cord serves at least more than 2 functions, and in this instance they need about 3 answers. So 1, it attaches the fetus to the mother's uterus. It attaches the fetus to the mother's uterus. Then secondly, the part labeled V is also highly necessary, biologically being for the reason that it protects the fetus from the mother's immune system. In instances where the mother might have been infected maybe with STDs or STIs, that is going to prevent, that is the fetus from sharing its immune system with the mother. So it protects the fetus from the mother's immune system. It protects the fetus from the mother's immune system. Then thirdly, it is a passage for exchange of oxygen, for exchange of materials between the mother and the fetus. So for this one, we're trying to say it attaches. We're trying to say it attaches the fetus to the mother's uterus. Secondly, it protects the fetus from the mother's immune system. Thirdly, it is a passage for exchange of materials between the mother and the fetus. Then for the last one, which is B, it's saying identify 3 causes of infertility in human beings. So causes of infertility in human beings, for this question, it's not specific. If you can only focus on those causes that are presently in males or females, you can bring out everything so long as it is a cause of infertility in either of the 2 genders. So first thing first, we can talk about hormonal imbalance. Hormonal imbalance is also one of the causes of infertility in human beings. And since the question just says identify, we're not supposed to explain anything. And also, there are environmental or personal life aspects that can contribute to infertility, and such can include smoking or alcoholism. So we can also talk about alcoholism. Then lastly, we can also talk about the process of fertilization not being able to take place because the oviduct or the fallopian tube has been blocked. So we can talk about a blocked oviduct or a blocked fallopian tube. So we can answer in this particular way. So these are the answers to the question that was brought on question 4 for 2022 internal exam. I hope you find this video very much beneficial. Consider subscribing, share the video, and relate the same information to some of the exam questions that have been brought under the same concepts. This remains your tutor, Mr. Sensor from Sensor Academy School of Tuitions. Till in the next video, for now, it's a very goodbye. Stay focused.